The revelation within the past 2 days of 12 infants dying at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital, the premier maternity institution in this country, has shocked the nation. We in the opposition are equally shocked that this has happened. But we are also shocked, as the leader indicated, that the portfolio ministers withheld that information. But since that has happened, we have had some other disturbing news, that it is not 12, but it is now 14. And when you listen to the minister trying to defend his position, at one stage he got the information in September. Another instance he got it in August. We are also hearing that Victoria Jubilee Hospital is not the only maternity institution which has that capacity to treat high dependency neonates and infants that has the problem. News coming out is that Spanish Town Hospital is even probably in a similar or a graver state. Now, it is not by accident that the minister mentioned that he asked PAHO to go to Spanish Town Hospital as well as Bustamante Children's Hospital when he invited them into the country. There's more to it than that. The minister needs to come clean to the country to tell the country why is it that he withheld the information, why he kept it a secret, despite the fact that he's indicating that he was more concerned about the chaos it would create. The minister needs to come to the country and give us the timelines within which he knew and why he withheld the information. The minister needs to come to the country and tell us whether other facilities have been affected as well under his stewardship. And so far, I've not heard the minister saying anything to the parents, those persons who have lost their loved ones, as was indicated by the leader earlier on. So we're calling on the minister to have an in-depth audit of all the institutions. We need to know what really transpired at Victoria Jubilee Hospital. We know that there are shortages of personal protective equipment. And this probably is one of the reasons why we have seen what we have seen, what has been brought to light. We also know that specialist nurses within this specialty have not been trained for many years, because the hostel in which the postgraduate training, as we have been advised by Nurses Association of Jamaica, has been closed by the government. So there's no facility to train these nurses. So it's a constellation of things that have these specialist nurses. So it's a constellation of things that has happened that has caused this under this minister's watch. So we need to know. And we are calling on the minister to give the country that information ASAP. We cannot be guided or comforted by the sound bites that he gives on social media and what appears to be good. It cannot be an instance where the minister speaks highly and comes on the media and speaks about the expansion at Spanish Town and University Hospital, which is good news. But the bad news, he decides to keep close to his chest and not even share with his cabinet colleagues nor the Prime Minister.